Hey, what's up guys, my name is Zahir. I have yesterday posted a video that 10 reasons to buy OnePlus 6, and in this video basically I'm going to tell you top 5 reasons not to buy OnePlus 6, or you can say bad things or cons of OnePlus 6. So yeah, with that said, let's begin. So first of all guys, there is a small disclaimer over here that every smartphone has their pros and their cons, or you can say good side and their bad side. And in this video I'm going to tell you the bad side of it, and I have already yesterday posted a good side of this smartphone. If you want to see that, I will leave that video in the I button. So first of all, watch both this video, then after decide whether you want to buy this smartphone or not. So yeah, with that clear, let's begin. So guys, first reason not to buy this smartphone is going to be this crappy speaker. Even though this budget flagship smartphone, or you can say flagship killer smartphone, even then it does not have good speakers. The speaker is located on the bottom, which is a single speaker, but at the loud volume it distorts, it is teeny, it's not very good. And as compared to some other flagship like S9 and iPhone 10, they have stereo speakers. Basically the earpiece becomes the second speaker. So guys, if you want to buy this smartphone for multimedia purpose, and if you're trying to use the speaker only, then you are out of luck, my friend. You have to use the headphone, and thank god it has the headphone jack, which is a very nice thing. After that guys, the next reason not to buy this smartphone is going to be the notch. Personally, I don't like the notch. Basically VOLT icon and battery percentage icon is hidden in the notch, which I really hate. And after that, when you watch videos on YouTube, the notch will going to take your content, which is very annoying. Yeah, I know that OnePlus gives the option to disable the notch, but after even that, it is very annoying to me. Especially the battery percentage hidden system, which is very bad. I like the battery percentage in my status bar, but I have to slide down to watch the battery percentage, which is one more step, but I don't like it. Yeah, it's my personal preference. If you do like it, then it's not your problem guys, but I don't like it. It's my personal preference. After that guys, the next reason not to buy this smartphone would going to be no support for wireless charging. Even though this smartphone comes with the glass back, but OnePlus does not give the wireless charging, which is very sad in my opinion. I would like to have the wireless charging in smartphone, so I can put it on a wireless charging dock and I will leave it there while it's charging and I can do my work. But nonetheless, it has the dash charging, I think, that which can cover the loss of wireless charging. So yeah, after that guys, the next reason not to buy this smartphone would going to be the no IP rating. Even though OnePlus give us some type of protection against water, but it does not have the official IP rating, which lot of other flagship has, like iPhone 10 and S9, that those smartphone has IP67 and 68 rating, which is really good. That means you can definitely use that smartphone in the swimming pool. But with this smartphone, as OnePlus claims that you can use it in light rains or something like that, but you cannot use this smartphone in the swimming pool or something like that. So it's a very big bummer for some people. After that guys, the next reason not to buy this smartphone is going to be the no SD card slot. Even though this is a flagship, when you buy the starter variant, which has only 64GB internal storage, for some people it is not enough. If you want to purchase a 128GB variant, the cost will going to be increased by 5,000 rupees, which is going to be 40,000 rupees. That means if you want 128GB variant of this smartphone, then you have to purchase a 40,000 rupee wala variant of this phone, which is very sad in my opinion. And this is going to be the reason not to buy this smartphone. After that guys, the next reason not to buy this smartphone would going to be the glass back. Even though it looks very good and very premium, it feels premium, it looks premium, and it has the look of ceramic, glass is glass. If it gonna fall, it will gonna break. So it's the biggest reason not to buy this smartphone. It attracts lot of smudges and fingerprints, which is also a bummer, I can say that. So yeah, these are all the reasons guys. I know guys, I have nitpicked them, but yeah, it's my job to tell you everything about this smartphone, even the smallest thing. So yeah, this is what I have to say, that these are the 5 reasons, or you can say 6 reasons not to buy this smartphone. So if you are comfortable with them, then definitely you can buy this. And I have already made, as I have told you, I have already made video that top 10 reason to buy this smartphone. So if you want to see them, I will leave a link in the card. And guys, watch both the videos, then after that, if you are comfortable with it, even after watching both the videos, then you should definitely buy it. I will leave a link in the description box below from where you can purchase. It's an Amazon affiliate link. If you can buy from that link, it will help out the channel without costing you any extra penny. So yeah, that's all in this video guys. I hope you do like this video. If you did, then hit that like button, and guys please share this video with your friends who want to purchase this OnePlus 6. So yeah, with that said guys, if you haven't subscribed this channel yet, hit that subscribe button with that bell notification icon so you will be notified when I post new videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching this video guys. Bye bye.